Contestant number 14 from White Bear Lake, City of Lakes, and River Refrains, Joyful Noise!
Say, old pal, by the way, old pal, I hear you're going south. Try and see my mammy for me. She lives way down in Tennessee. You may meet walking down the street like strangers often do. If you'll allow, I'll try somehow to describe my mammy to you. If you should see a soul that's happy, strolling with a gray-haired pappy, that's my mammy. If you see that she's wearing glasses, smiling at each one that passes, that's my mammy. If you should see a silver-haired old lady sitting with her mitten where it's shady, just mention me, watch her expression, then if she should say God bless 'em, give her all my love, 'cause that's my mammy. If you should see a silver-haired old lady sitting with her mitten where it's shady, just mention me, watch her expression, then if she should say God bless 'em, give her all my love, 'cause that's my mammy. Say, old pal, by the way, old pal, I hear you're going south. When all the world is a hopeless jumble and the raindrops tumble all around, heaven opens a magic lane, when all the clouds darken up the skyway, there's a rainbow highway to be found, leading from your window pane to a place beyond the rain. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. Someday I'll wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops away above the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly. happy little bluebirds fly.